Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to include a new participant in a Microsoft Teams chat. This is a vital skill for improving teamwork and keeping everyone connected, whether you are managing a specific project or just bringing someone into a current discussion. To begin, log into your Microsoft Teams account. Make sure you use the right credentials, particularly if you handle several different organizational profiles or environments. Once signed in, you will arrive at the primary dashboard where all your channels and conversations are located. Next, head over to the specific chat where you want to add the individual. You can find your recent conversations listed in the panel on the left side. If it is an older thread, you might need to look through your history to find it. After opening the chat, look at the top of the window for an icon showing a person with a plus symbol. This is the Add Member button, which serves as your gateway for bringing new people into the thread. Select that icon and then choose the Add People option. A small pop-up window will appear. In the provided field, type the email address of the person you want to invite. Double-check the spelling carefully to avoid any delivery issues that could stall the process. Once the email is entered, click the Add button found at the bottom of the pane. This sends an automatic invite to that person, notifying them that they are now part of the chat. Now you know how to expand your group conversations. For better transparency, it is always a good idea to let current members know when someone new joins to keep sensitive information secure. If you have trouble adding users, it might be due to your company's security settings, so contact your administrator if needed. Thanks for watching this tutorial. For more tips on using Microsoft Teams to boost your productivity and teamwork, feel free to explore our other videos. Until next time, happy chatting.